Vermilion Studios presents the ultimate Huawei Mate 20 Pro review. The Mate 20 Pro is a new beautiful flagship from Huawei. It's a dominant beast in the mobile industry. It has an immense screen-to-body ratio, the biggest battery capacity and the most powerful charger on the market. It has an amazing Leica triple camera, the ability of screen mirroring to your home TV and the second highest waterproof standard. We put all that and more to the test. The phone has a whopping battery size of 4200 mAh, which can be charged with a powerful 40 watts charger. The second interesting thing we tried is the phone-on-phone charging. The phones are charging only in the middle where the electromagnetic coils are. Let's optimize the Mate 20 Pro battery length. I'm going to show you how. The first thing you can do is go to Settings, Battery, and there is a button called Optimize Battery Usage. The second thing you can do is to apply darken interface colors, and with that you turn off all the pixels you don't need. Therefore, you're saving your battery just with that. The next thing is to go to Settings, Battery, App Launch, and here you can see all of the apps that are draining your battery. You can turn them off separately or all at once, like this. Additionally, you can fine-tune each app by choosing Manage Manually, which you can find in the right top corner. The next thing we tried is the performance mode that you can turn on under battery option. We compared how the phone performs while playing different games. We tested it while playing Asphalt 9, graphically high demanding game, and Move the Block, a low demanding game. There was no difference in the gaming experience between the modes, since this Huawei flagship phone can handle much more. In order to distinguish the verified difference in the relationship between the normal and power mode, we used the apps Antutu, Geekbench and 3D Mark. The benchmark results show a small but substantially noticeable difference. The screen mirroring is an easy-to-use setting. Just slide down in the menu and choose the wireless projection option. Afterwards, just select the TV you're using and the devices will automatically connect if you're using the same Wi-Fi on both devices. Your phone display will behave as a computer mouse and the TV display will look like a computer desktop. We tested the back side of the phone to see how quick it slides off of different surfaces on a 7-degree angle. As shown, the device slides off plastic surfaces the quickest, so it's better to invest in a non-slide casing. Let's take our phone for a swim. As you can see, the touchscreen doesn't work underwater, but the face recognition does work. The most interesting thing is that as soon as the phone is raised from the water, the display instantly works perfectly fine. We tested some of the camera modes that this phone offers. Here you can see the wide mode that is mostly used for ultra-wide landscape or portraits. But we obviously use it to take pictures of all the ducks in the pond. The following pictures are showing the difference between the 3x and 10x zoom with no visible quality change. The ducks also cooperated nicely. The last pictures are showing the beautiful nightlife at Christmas time in a city in Slovenia. Here we wanted to show you the difference with the night mode turned on and off. You made it to the end of the video. Here is your prize. Thank you for watching us doing our thing. Share, like, subscribe, you know the fling. Tell us what you want to see us do next. Click the notification bell and watch us flex.